Hi there, hope you guys are well. So today we're gonna talk about the glass substrate gamble. So Nvidia's $4 billion pivot to Rubin was supposed to save the Blackwell era, but as we saw in the last video, the physics of warping is winning. Now the industry is making its most dangerous bet yet, glass. In the labs of Samsung and Intel, the traditional organic substrate is being ripped out. In its place, a sheet of high-purity glass is perfectly flat. It doesn't expand under the heat of a 1000-watt GPU, and it allows for something Blackwell could only dream of: co-packaged optics. Instead of copper wires, Rubin Ultra will use light to talk to its memory. But glass is brittle. One microscopic stress fracture and a $40,000 GPU becomes a paperweight. Intel is already leading the race, and for the first time in a decade, Nvidia is looking at a supply chain where they don't hold the keys. If they can't master the glass transition by 2027, the Rubin era won't just be delayed. It will be the end of Nvidia's monopoly. This is the end of the line for Blackwell. Welcome to the glass era. Thanks for watching.